We're in Southern Maryland today, showing new construction villas. Now you might be saying, villa, townhome, what's the difference? The difference is a villa has the main or the primary bedroom on the first floor, whereas your typical townhome has all the bedrooms on the second level. So this particular builder is calling them villas. Let's go take a look.
The significance of the owner's suite being on the first floor is that this community is a senior community, 55 and up. Upon entering the home, you see an open floor plan, dining room right off the kitchen. You have a powder room located right off the foyer for guests, which is a great touch. And then in the kitchen, you have this huge granite kitchen island with seating, luxury vinyl flooring throughout the main level, stainless steel Frigidaire appliance package, ample cabinets and storage space, pantry right there, and then that opens up into your family room. The vaulted ceiling in the family room creates a sense of grandeur. And off of the family room also is your laundry room. And that leads you right down the hallway into your owner's suite with dual vanities. And a great feature is this 2-person shower with the built-in bench. Off of the bath, you have 2 separate closets. And then you enter into your wide open, spacious primary bedroom. Proceed through your family room to step out into your rear patio to get some fresh air. A builder option is to have this area screened in, so that is an option for you. Let's go upstairs. Up here we will find 2 amply sized bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1 with a view that overlooks to the front of the villa and a very nice sized closet. And this is bedroom number 2, again with a view to the front of the villa. And this is the main hallway bath. And the most impressive feature is this upstairs loft. You can imagine your kids playing their video games up here, and it overlooks to your family room. So it's just a really great feature. Now, one of the builder's options is where you can add this 4th bedroom to the upstairs, which has its own full bath. So it's like a 2nd-story primary owner suite. Well, that concludes the tour of this particular home. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll highlight the clubhouse in this particular community.